Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for managing your startup's cash flow. This is the full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, after setting up your Airtable account, create a new base named Cash Flow. This is where you'll track your income and expenses. The reason we do this is to have a single, unified place for all your financial data, helping you see the big picture at a glance. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating two primary tables, income and expenses. In the income table, you'll log all incoming cash from sales, investments, and so on. The expenses table, on the other hand, will track all outgoing payments, rent, salaries, utilities, etc. These separate tables help us categorize our cash flow, simplifying analysis and forecasting. Next up, let's add fields to these tables. For both income and expenses, include fields like date, description, amount, and category. The category field helps us break down our cash flow into more specific areas like payroll, advertising, or revenue from product sales. This is crucial because it allows us to pinpoint where most of our money is coming from and where it's going. Now, let's get into linking these tables. This is done by creating a net cash flow table. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This table pulls data from both the income and expenses tables, calculating your net cash flow by subtracting total expenses from total income. This helps us because it gives us a real-time snapshot of our financial health, making it easier to make informed business decisions. Once you've linked your tables, the last step is to customize your views. Airtable allows you to create different views like grid, calendar, or even Kanban, depending on your preference. The reason we do this is to visualize our data in the most effective way for us. For instance, a calendar view might be helpful if you want to see the cash flow trend over a month. And there we have it. You've now set up your cash flow management system in Airtable. Remember, keeping a close eye on your cash flow is key to the success of your startup. Until next time, happy tracking.